Hi, my name's Hugh, and today we'd like to show a short video as to how to locate the PEAKWIN.INI file. If this file is corrupt or missing, then PeakSimple doesn't act normally. It's a couple of things that are tip-offs to that. One is that the temperature doesn't communicate between the computer and the GC, but the data does. That's a tip-off for sure. And then also, if the chromatogram starts by itself without your telling it to start, that's also a symptom of this. So we need to find the INI file. In earlier operating systems like XP, it was very easy to find this file. But for some reason in Windows 10, this file is buried in a very obscure location. So to find it, we have to click on the File Manager and then go to the C drive, and then up in the right there's a search window. So we type in PEAKWIN.INI, that's PEAKWININI. So you hit enter, and then it starts looking for a file with that name in all the different locations in the C drive. And it puts where it finds those in right here in this little list. So it's already found one copy in the Windows folder, but that copy doesn't really count. The copy that counts is located in a very obscure place that you'd never find in a million years, and it doesn't really even show up until this green progress bar has reached the end. It's the last thing that it finds, because I think they try to deliberately hide it from you. So it's in a folder that is like 7 subfolders deep. We should see it happening here at some point soon. And the only copy of this INI file that counts is the one that's buried in this very inaccessible place. So sometimes, especially if you don't have administrative rights when you install the software, something will go wrong with the installation of this file, and it'll be in the correct place, but the contents will have been stripped out by Windows. It's just empty. So if that's the case, we have to copy the correct information into that file, and that's what we're going to do as soon as Windows decides to find this other copy. So hopefully, there it is. There it is. See, this one is in the Windows folder, C:\Windows. The copy that counts is in C:\Hue//appdata/local/virtual store/Windows, and it's not even the end. It's a longer string than that. So, but that's the file we need to go look at. So as soon as it shows up here, well, let's see, I've got an hourglass here. I can't move, I guess, until it finishes with this search. Looks like it's almost at the end. Yeah, found one more copy, and that would be in the PeakSimple folder that you created when you ran the installation program. You would have created this folder, C:\peak488. So there's probably a copy, there's multiple copies of this file, but the one that counts is this. So if we double click on the one that counts, it takes us and we can look at the file. So this is what the file should look like. It's got a lot of text in there. It tells PeakSimple all the things to do at the very beginning when it first launches. And PeakSimple only reads this file when it does first launch. But the file can't be empty. So if the file is empty, chances are good that Windows won't let you just copy a good copy of this. See, there'll be a good copy of this file in the PeakSimple folder, right? In the PeakSimple folder, there's a nice brand new copy of this file. So if you copy everything, if you copy the contents of this, so to do that, you go Control A, and it copies everything in the file, highlights everything in the file, and then you right-click and hit Copy, and then you go to the important copy of PEAKWIN.INI, and you go up to the top, and then you right-click and you hit Paste, and then it pastes the contents of the good copy into the bad copy. This works better than just trying to copy the file, because Windows, if it doesn't like you, it won't let you copy the file. But this way we trick Windows by copying the contents of the file, and then at that point everything's happy, and we can should be able to now go and run Peak Simple software without any problems. But remember, you do have to close Peak Simple and then launch it again, because it only reads the INI file at the time that it launches, at the very beginning when you first launch it. So thank you. Hopefully that solves a few problems with the INI file being misplaced or not installed properly. So thank you again. Bye-bye.